Hi everyone. So today we're gonna solve another question which is based on the same thing, reverse an integer. So here we have to reverse an integer just like showing in these examples. Like if we have 1 2 3, then our output should be 3 2 1. Same thing in the negative form, and if we have 0, then the answer will be neglecting the 0 and the remaining number will be printed. Okay, so let's get started, and let me first explain that how do we do this, how do we solve it, what will be the brute force to solve the question. So let me just jump to the whiteboard and tell you that the concept is the yesterday's one, that we have to first take out the individual number from this number, and then we have to multiply the number with 100, 10 and 1. So let me just clarify you. Like we have the number 1 2 3, so what we have to do, like we have to first take out the modulo of the number. So if we take out the modulo of number with 10, what will happen? If we divide the number, it will be like we have 3 in our remainder. Okay, let me just complete this, and 3. So we have 3 in our remainder and our question is 12. So what we will do, that we will make an another integer in which we can store this number, or we can directly add the number in the integer. We can create a function like that. Okay, so this number, and we will update the given number. Like if this is n, we will update the given number by this, so that we can take out the modulo next time, and then we will get 2, and again if we take out the modulo we will get 1. So this will be the concept to take out the numbers individually. And now if we have to reverse them, what we have to do, we have to just multiply them and just add them. Like if 1 2 3 is the number, I will multiply 1 with 10 raised to the power 0, which will 1. Okay, 2 will be multiplied by 10 raised to power 1, which will be 20, and 3 will be 10 raised to the power 2, which will be 300. Okay, so if we add all these numbers, what will we get? 321. This is a reverse of 120 and 3. Great. So but what is the formula that I am gonna use here is, okay, so what's the formula that I'm gonna use? I will take the number which will I initialize with 0. I will multiply the number with 10, and with that I will add the modulo number, like what the thing that I will get in after solving the modulo. Okay, so let me just take it the name m. So how will we do it? Like I initialize the number r with 0. Okay, so 0, r will obviously updated itself, r will be 0, multiply, or let me just remove this plus, this will be not there, this will not be there. Okay, r, if r is 0, then r will multiply with 10, and we will add the modulo number. So in the very first thing we will get modulo 3. Okay, so if we solve this question, we will get the answer 3. So r will get updated by 3. So 3 is equal to 3 multiply 10 plus our next modulo will be 2. So the answer will be 32, and again this will get updated 32, and after that the 32 multiply same this loop will gonna happen until the number will get 0. Okay, so 32, like the question thing will get 0, the loop will go until that. So 32 multiplied 10 plus the next modulo answer was 1, so it will be 320 plus 1, 321. So here we have the reverse of the given number. So let me just code this thing, and yeah, let's go. So for that, what we have to do for the very first, okay, so let me just first initialize the number r, which will be equal to 0. Okay, and I will run a loop which will go until x. Okay, until x is 0, the loop will go on. And what will be the formula? Like r is equal to r into 10 plus, with what we will add, x modulo 10. Great. And every time we will update the number x. Okay, so for that we have to x divide to, yeah, 10. Okay, so this is a thing. Okay, and as because we have the constant is that the number should be in between minus 2 to 2 raised to power 31 to 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. So here we will put a constant, put a if condition. If our number r, if our answer is less than int of min, or r is greater than int of max, then return 0. Otherwise return r in the form of integer. Okay, great. So let me run this thing and let's check whether it's gonna work or not. What is the problem? Okay, let me just remove this thing if it's making problem for us. Okay, so yeah, our question is complete, and let me just submit this thing. So here we are, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will meet you in the next video with a new question. Bye bye.